sound samples of an Allparts Telecaster. It's a two-piece older body. It is double bound in mint binding. It's got a mint pick guard as well. This is a Fender 62 pickup, and I got a Seymour Duncan Lil 59 in the bridge position, and of course a Grigsby in nickel as my bridge. Just a lot of funky stuff going on down here, and I'll explain that in a minute. First, neck pickup. Now, middle position. And the bridge position. Now, when I pull out the coil tap, I'm actually putting the humbucker in two pickups in series with one another. And of course, that follows through. This pot actually is a volume pot for the humbucker, but it works as a blender when you're listening to the neck pickup. And then I can blend in. I can actually blend in the humbucker pickup. So whether it's in the neck position or the middle position, I can achieve the same tone. It's only when I dial it back do I achieve a different tone in the first position. Where this really shines is a humbucker is great for distortion. So I'll put a little dirt on it. Great little tone monster. Hope you enjoy it.